Welcome to the bird park in Essel World, where I'm going to see many parrots and macaws and crows and ravens and everything. So now I'm going to take you inside and I will show you some beautiful and friendly birds. But first we need to know where they are. Now, right behind me, then this is the map of the whole place. The whole place. Where there are going to be many birds like ostriches, woodpeckers, ducks, many more. Now, I want to explore this place. There are so many plants, it's like a forest. Let's go! I think it's this way. I think it's that way. I don't know. I'm going in circles. I'm confused. And finally, I spotted something. Those are ducks over there. I never knew that they were black and white. It's like two zebra-colored ducks. So many. Oh, I found their names. This one is Muscovy duck, white goose, and black swan. Hey, wow! Look, another viewing deck. Let's go. Now, over here, there are all these ducks. Even some of these are even like cow colored or green too. Oh, the ducks are having a good time. Angry goose.
It's looking very nice. See,
Wow!
look at
It's a yellow.
this. Let's go close. We'll walk from there, okay? Can we?
This is the yellow crested cockatoo.
See?
Say hi to him. What is that? Hi, buddy. Buddy. Why are you? And her name's Buddy. Say hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello, Buddy.
Buddy, say hi. Don't.
Here we are trying to make Buddy speak, and here she speaks. Hi, Buddy. That was great. Introduce you to the largest bird in the world, just like us. Ostrich. Very long neck, just like a giraffe, and big stomach, not long foot, small, and are able to walk, just like us. They have very big eggs, but I cannot see them. Did you know that ostrich has 3 stomachs? I wish I had 3 stomachs. Behind me, you can see there is a machan, and it is built to see birds in the jungle. If you want to see some, you can build one for yourself. Oh, look! I finally found an ostrich egg. So huge. Oh, silver pheasant, hiding behind a tree bark. Looks like it belongs to the cock and hen family. Oh my god, what is that? That is beautiful. Look at what I found. I'm sneaking behind this golden pheasant. Shh! Don't make a noise. Oh, it has a companion too. Walk, 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 my friend, on the stony road. Look to your left and right, my friend, and reach your home sweet home. Hey, wait, let me join you. Now I have become his companion. Now all these birds eat figs, and we have a tree full of yummy, yummy figs. This is a palm cockatoo, the red-eyed one. Palm cockatoo looks through the cage. Seems like she likes me. This is a Pikachu bird. This bird looks like Pikachu. And because of this, now I know how the animators got inspiration. This is the silver pheasant going for a walk. Check out all the colorful birds. These are splendid starlings. Look at their peacock color. Well, I heard that parrots are green in color. But here I found these sun conure parrots. They look like mangoes to me.
I'll take its video, wait.
Hello, mango bird. I call you the mango bird since you have orange, red, yellow, and green skin. Yeah. And the mango bird decides to make a nest on my head. But now I'm friends with them. And one of them whispers into my ears, "Why don't you come again?" Sure! This one is African grey macaw, and it speaks too. Here, I'm at some warrior statue. Very nicely made. This is green parrot and its nest, which I saw for the first time. My turkey friends.
Turkey females were Jane.
And here we are waiting for the Woodpecker Stadium show to start. I don't know what it is going to be, but I'm sure it will be fun and nice. There she holds a blue macaw. And this bridge takes you to east to west to west to east. Look at this. Here I am in a cave or next to a cave. And I'm going to go inside.
Okay. This is nice. It's looking like a rock, Babu.
I'm having a conversation with them. Very important. Hamster babies. When they're not moving, it's cute. When they are moving, they are cuter. These are things from the past which I never knew. It's a lantern, telephone, and typewriter. This is a grandpa clock with a radio and a telephone. This one is a gramophone which is used to listen to music. Fishies, 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 swimming in the pond. I wish I could swim with you and go round and round and round. And that's me when my trip comes to an end.